Good morning, all of you. This is Mr. Pijatitis from Salem classes. So, students, today we will discuss chapter number 3.3 The Piggy Bob All Bookwork Exercise. So, this is for 8th class communicative English. So, as I mentioned to you, this will be already I have the video lecture question answer. If yet you didn't see that, you can see, and it will be helpful for you to fill your books. Okay. So if newly you are visiting my channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. At the same time, forward it to your friends and to your classmates. So students, if the writing is not good, don't bother about that. You have to listen very carefully. Then after you have to write. Okay. Okay. Let's begin. So here is the question. The only thing Harris loved were what the things Harry loved? Travel, 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 eat, and drink. Okay. George, Harris, and Joram passed the night in a boat. Okay. If you see page number 85, so you can see that they passed the night in a boat. At the piggy pub, Tom and Joe spent the evening. Okay, so here open compound. When Tom and Joe went to piggy pub, they spent the evening time open compound. Okay, you know what is piggy pub? Piggy pub is an inn. Okay, in Hindi we can say that dharmshala, either hotel, etc. Both Tom and Joe went shocked out of their beds by themselves. Themselves, THEMSELVES. Okay. The incident relating to the piggy pub happened with parents of George and Harris. This is the fill in the blanks, and it was the taken from the text. Okay, now we will go to word power. Okay, we will go to word power. So, students, there is no more space to write. Okay, there is no more space to write. So that is why I numbered over here. You have to match the number according to the requirement. Okay. Okay. First one, take away from. So the last one, to make the value of something seem less. Okay. Here you can match that. Take somebody in, that will be match deceive. Okay, deceive. Next one, take to something, being to do something as a habit. Okay, number 4, take something out. Take something out. Okay, number 4, take something out. So here is that remove. Okay. Next one is there. 5, take something over. Take responsibility for something. Okay. Take responsibility for something. Next one. Next one is there. Yes. 7 number. Take something away. Make something disappear. Take something away, make something disappear. Number 8, take some take somebody apart. Take somebody apart. Defeat easily. Defeat easily. Take somebody awake. Take somebody awake. Shock or surprise. Okay, this is. Now you have to come fill in the blanks. These are preposition. Okay, these are preposition. Already I numbered here. At the same time, my son is written here, but the writing is not that was good. So if you want to see that, you can see above. Okay. I was taken away by his rudeness. Okay, I will help. Uh, will you help me take the curtain down? Number 2. Number 3, your daughter doesn't take out you at all. Okay, this is number 3. Number 4, she took me apart completely with her story. Number 5, I was given some pills to take against the pain. Number 6, when he fell ill, his son took over the business from him. What have I done to make you take okay, so here is something yes, 7 number, what I have done to make you take a pick me so suddenly. 8 number, Shock took the English bowlers in and scored a century. He fell into bad company and took after smoking and drinking. Okay, so okay, next page. This is grammar. This is grammar. That's very simple. Okay, there is no that much hard. It is always safe to keep your money. Where we keep our money? We keep our money in bank. Okay. She usually goes to desk in the morning. Okay, in the morning time. So temple either church, but according to the construct there is temple. Okay, so this is right. Temple. Number 3, most children start going to school from the age of 5. Okay, from the age of 5. Now this day, I think 2 and 5 or 3. Okay. There were many people at the station waiting for the train. If we are waiting for the train, where we supposed to be? We supposed to be in the station, and that is why it is station. Good night. I am going to bed now. Okay. I am going to post office to get some stamps. Okay. If you need to get stamp, that means you have to go post office. Okay. Here you see, complete the sentence. You can use if necessary. See, if you want to catch a plane, you go to airport. If you want to see a film, you go to theater. theatre. Okay. If you are tired and you want to sleep, you go to bedroom. Number 4, if you commit a crime and the police catch you, you go to jail, either prison. Okay. What is you want? You can write. Either you can write prison, either you can write jail. Okay, according to the requirement. Okay, if you have a problem with your teeth, you go to dentist. Okay, if you have teeth problem, where will you go? You will go to dentist. That is why you write here dentist. If you are injured in an accident, you go to hospital. Okay, if you are sick, you are injured, whatever problem you may have, huh, you have to go to hospital. Okay then, so this was the book exercise. I hope it will be very helpful for you. But remember, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day.